Welcome everybody. Hey, look, everything got delayed. The wood shop channel got delayed because I got in a car wreck. And I'm still recovering. In fact, I'll be recovering for a while, but it seems like I can get back to some stuff. That's going to be hard to solve, and not pushing my limits are going to be tough. But you will very soon get an actual tour of the wood shop. That video is being worked on, so that first video is coming. And I thought what I would do real quick in this video is give you a fast flash tour, while in the next tour I'll give you a more long detailed plans, problems I'm solving, all of that kind of stuff. But here's the quick tour. Okay, here we go. That's the front door. That's a wood cart I built a while back ago. That is a cobalt tool chest with a shelf with a bunch of stuff on it. And there really is a bunch of stuff on that. That's like a cylinder piece of a dust collector. That part of that's back there. That's there too. This will actually be a leather working station. Do I leather work? No, I don't. However, my girlfriend does, and you might even get to meet her. Okay, back here, a little mini fridge where I keep my medicine mostly, and a dehumidifier that dumps right into there. Okay, now we're getting into the cool tools and the shop tools. That is my bandsaw, kind of stuffed and tucked away. This is a drum sander that I hate, and the alignment of the belt is impossible to nail, and I hate it. And I hate it, and I might get rid of it, and I hate it. This is an X-Tool. I can't remember what the models are. These are both actually X-Tool lasers. This one more for wood, this one more for metals. Engraving especially, more than cutting. Wood, metals, filtration kit. This is the shop's 3D printer. That's going to actually probably be used a lot. Okay, coming over here. This is a stand that I built. Man, I wish I could zoom out actually a little bit further on this thing. But that is a stand that I built that the dust collection thing is going to go on with a full cylinder system and everything. This is my CNC. It is a Shapeoko, I think. Shapeoko CNC. This will also be a big part of our first important, very heathen project. Because remember, that's the big thing. It's going to be a very heathen wood shop. Every project will need some sort of irreverent spin. Though some of the projects, it'll be hard to figure out how, because some of them will be just solving like, how am I going to work here when it's so freaking hot all the time? That's one of the first big projects we're going to try and tackle. That's going to take a while though. Okay, then these are some cabinets that I built. That's my Festool chop saw, miter saw, actually. And I have the Festool dust collection over here. You've also got tucked back here a lathe. My brain just turned off, as well as dust collection. That dust collection will run dust collection for the big ol' table saw, finger saving table saw, planer, jointer. Okay, most of the wood stuff right there at the end, and I didn't even mention router table right there. That's the little shop tour. Make sure you're following at Jimmy's Wood on YouTube if you want the lengthy tour, if you want to see the tour with more girth that goes into more detail, and we start talking about the first projects and problems to solve. But there will be better lighting. Right now I'm just using the overhead lighting, which is making my head so shiny. I just gotta turn my head like this, and this is terrible for my neck as it has 4 herniated discs in it from that car crash, hence the issue. Okay, bye.